Okay, hello guys, my name is Olympio Tuns and today I will be your host here. I will delete this from here. Okay, so yeah, first of all, today we'll talk about maybe about the US dollar. But as always, please guys read the disclaimer before we'll start this session. Before we'll talk about the US dollar, about gold, silver, US oil, yeah, US equities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, if you want, guys. So please read the disclaimer. You can email support if you have questions, and also yeah, if you are not a VIP member already, and if you want to become a VIP member, you can access the link posted right below this video, yeah, to join us, okay, to subscribe to our VIP group. Hi Harry, how are you? Yeah, so something like this here. Let's wait for more members to join us. Okay, I will take a look also on my news terminal. So something like this. So today I've sent you guys something like this in my chart here. I'm talking about the dollar index. I've sent you guys this chart into the VIP group, yeah, for the VIP members. And I've talked about maybe something like this here. I've told you that personally I want to see how the dollar index maybe will react here around the medium line of the descending pitchfork, and here around the immediate or around this minor uptrend line. Okay, so we have here resistance at 61.8, retracement level 95.70. So it remains to see how the dollar index will react here, because yeah, earlier the US trade balance was reported better than expected, but I will be making the trade you tell me to in this video. Look, I will be making the trade you tell me to in this video. I don't know, man. If I will have something, I will share my trade. Also, maybe only with the VIP members. But yeah, now let's hope that we can catch something really good during this live session webinar. So as I've said, the US trade balance better than expected, but this is not a high impact event. Yeah. Maybe, and most likely, maybe the traders are waiting for the US Consumer Price Index, CPI, inflation data on Thursday, yeah, and also unemployment claims. So high impact events. This could really shake the markets. Maybe. Any update on the US dollar Mexican as the trade is still on? Yeah, my trade in US dollar versus the Mexican peso. It's still on, as you already know, guys, that I'm still holding that trade, even if it's in the red right now, only because after escaping, because technically it's still good, and right now I don't have anything, and I cannot do anything right now, only because I'm still waiting here. Technically it has escaped from this channel, from this pattern. We have something like a point of control around 20.578. Personally, I also have this line here as an inside sliding line, as a potential dynamic support. So yeah, right now it's in the red, but it's located far above my stop loss. So yeah, I'm still keeping that trade. Yeah. So something like this about US dollar versus the Mexican peso. I will come back to talk about the dollar index. And also, if you want, one moment, because I will update the group as well. One moment. I will also update the group. So something like this here on the dollar index. I've told you that after escaping maybe from this pattern, from this channel, right now personally I'm still waiting for something like this, maybe for the dollar index to really take out the 61.8 static resistance level area or something before jumping higher, because if this scenario will take shape, personally I will look for more longs, okay, for more USD longs, for new US dollar buying opportunities. So already personally I'm already long on the US dollar with that trade, yeah. But one moment, because I want to holding my long in USD. Okay, so something like this, okay, because in my opinion, after escaping from this pattern, yeah, it has found also support here, 78.6, a new higher high here, jumping, closing, stabilizing above the immediate high, above 95.75, above the 61.8 could maybe signal potential growth here on the dollar index, and the potential growth here on the dollar index could announce that the US dollar could appreciate versus its rivals. Also, because of this scenario, potential scenario, and also right now, as long as it stays above the immediate uptrend line, in my opinion, the dollar index could still resume its growth, and that's why personally I'm still keeping also that trade in US dollar versus the Mexican peso. Okay, so this is my my opinion here, and don't forget, guys, to ask questions, to send messages, yeah, because yeah, I will try to answer to your questions. If you want me to take a look on a specific market, yeah, if you have an opinion, yeah, you can share it about anything. So gold, let's take a look here. If you remember, yesterday I talked about this potential scenario, yeah. After escaping, or actually we had something here like a channel, up channel between the inside sliding line and the lower medium line, and I told you guys yesterday that maybe a very breakout here above the weekly R1 1820.21 could maybe signal potential upside continuation here. Right now maybe I'm still waiting here maybe for tests, retests, or for something before, I don't know. Right now I'm long on the US dollar. That's why maybe I don't want to go long on gold as well, even if maybe I could use something like this, like a long position here as an edge or something to my US dollar versus the Mexican peso long as well. But I don't know. I don't want maybe to go long here. We have all these former highs here as potential resistance levels. Yeah, also these former lows as resistance levels. So yeah, this is the reason why I don't want maybe to go long right now, even if, yeah, I've said yesterday that after all these failures, maybe to come back down to test, retest maybe the lower medium line, also staying near the inside sliding line. It has signaled the strong pressure. Also, it has jumped above these former highs, upside obstacles. So maybe I want to see something here like test, retest, accumulation, consolidation. Maybe I want to the price of gold to really confirm potential further growth, yeah, here, and to really confirm that we'll have a strong upside movement momentum. That's why I'm still waiting here, and I don't want to go long here, okay, because in my opinion here, so we have 1823.59 a static resistance, failing to close to stay to stabilize above it, and I don't know, followed by something like this, dropping, stabilizing below the inside sliding line. Can you analyze euro, British pound? Yeah, I will take a look on that market as well, but also I want your opinion about that market. I want to know what you are looking at. Yeah, also it's important to have a conversation here. That's why I'm waiting for messages, for questions, for your opinions about I don't want to talk here alone about everything. Luke, will you tell us what trade to make, or do I have to pay to know that? Luke, are you a VIP member? If you are a VIP member, you will get all our trades, trade management, and VIP content in that VIP group. Look, if you are not a VIP member, I'm sorry for you. You will only get, I don't know, 20% of the VIP content and trades. Yeah, so something like this in gold, and I will take a look also on the euro versus the British pound. Yeah, one moment here because I have to check something. Yeah, so about silver, guys, I've told you yesterday that something like this here, that I want also, I don't know, yesterday, yeah, maybe yesterday, I've in that maybe silver breakdown or something. Yeah, will you tell us what trade to make for free? I don't know. If I will decide to send a trade for free, yeah, you will have it. But personally, I like to send my trades, to share my trade with the VIP members, only because they are paying a subscription. Yeah, because yeah, they are paying a subscription to get all my trades, my trade management. So okay, you are not a VIP member. So look, you can find maybe free trades in the free group, but I told you, maybe only, I don't know, 1-2 trades per week. Yeah, I think euro GBP is bouncing off support. Yeah, I'm looking at that market after I will finish here with silver. So silver challenges here a confluence area. Okay, so we have something like a confluence area here, or actually at the intersection between the weekly RON and the medium line of the ascending pitchfork. So this is a resistance. Okay, so as you already know, maybe from my tutorials, you can watch that tutorial on our YouTube channel when I've talked about confluence areas. Yeah, so this is a confluence area at the intersection between two resistance levels. So if the price, yeah, will make a valid breakout above it, if it will jump, close, and stabilize above it, yeah, it could accelerate its growth on silver. And here, if the price will only register a false breakout, test, retest, then it could come back down. Yeah, so this is my opinion here in silver. I'll wait for something like this because I've told you guys in that video that I want to see the price, maybe also I want to see a stabilization here, maybe for the price to stabilize above the weekly R1 23.101 or something, a new higher high, also to close to stabilize above the medium line. Okay, I'm in the Telegram group. Okay, but I've told you, look, that you will get only, I don't know, 20% of the VIP trades and content. Hello, which time frame do you recommend to trade with, and how often do you get benefits? Juan Felipe Zapata Montoya, thank you for a message. So I'm not recommending any time frame. Yeah, personally, I'm looking on several time frames, as you already know, on daily, on weekly, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. So these are my my time frames, and I don't know, you can it depends. If you are an intraday trader, scalper, of course you will take a look on lower time frames, and if you're a swing trader, long-term trader or something, I don't know, you will take a look on weekly, daily, monthly. Yeah, so it's up to you. Okay, so something like this here in silver, I'm still waiting here because something like this could bring new buying opportunities in my opinion, but I also want to, I'll wait also for something like for confirmation here in DXY on the dollar index. Okay, because guys, something like this here on the dollar index, if the dollar index drops below the immediate uptrend line, a potential new sell-off or something here on the dollar index could really signal that the price of silver and the price of gold will jump higher towards fresh new highs. Okay, would you please make a tutorial on how to use Pitchfork? So Sarma, Ravish and Sarma. So it seems that you didn't. Please visit our YouTube channel, yeah, and you have there a playlist with trading tutorials. And personally, I've shared and I've uploaded, I've published 2 or 3 tutorials on how to use Pitchfork. So and if after you will watch those tutorials, maybe you will understand how to use Pitchfork, yeah. And also don't forget, it's not really important for you also to use the same strategy or the same tools or something like this, because maybe you will find, or maybe you will identify maybe the same support levels, resistance levels, exhaustions, or reversals, or with other tools. So it's not really important to use my strategy. Personally, I'm sharing only my trades, my opinions, my analysis. Of course, if you want to use this tool, and if you like it, if you will understand how to use it, but yeah, you can visit our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, guys, yeah. And we have there already trading tutorials about Pitchfork, okay. So and of course, maybe I'll record maybe another one or something about Pitchfork, but yeah, I'm thinking maybe I will start recording more tutorials as well, talking about indicators, I don't know, technical tools or something, yeah, trading strategies. So here is our YouTube channel, guys. So first of all, please subscribe, and then if you'll scroll down, we have here trading tutorials, okay. And let's take a look here. Trading with pitchforks, warning line and sliding line. And but we also have other tutorials. Let's take a look here. So something like this: how to use Pitchfork with Fibonacci, how to use Pitchfork tool in online trading, okay, right? Pin bar, trading with Pitchfork, yeah. Trigger line, also about Pitchfork. So I've told you that we already have tutorials about Pitchfork. Sarma, Godspeed, Freeman. I missed the Ethereum US dollar signal. Great outcome. I don't know. Personally, I don't have a trade on Ethereum or something right now. So because I'm not managing the crypto channels. Okay, so let's take a look. US oil. And also, yeah, I will take a look on, I forgot to take a look on euro versus the British pound, but I will take a look. So about the US oil, yeah, I've sent you guys something like a US oil breakdown, yeah. Okay, Sarma, yeah, please take a look on those tutorials. Please don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, if you have maybe more questions, maybe I will host a webinar this week. I don't know, maybe tomorrow or on Thursday, but no, maybe on Friday, I don't know, only for the VIP members. And I will talk about Pitchfork. Maybe I will show them maybe how to use it. We'll build a new analysis from zero, from scratch, using Pitchfork. I will show them how to use Pitchfork. I don't know, because as you already know, Bernardo, yeah, because as you already know, we also have VIP only webinars. I'm talking about psychology there. I'm talking about fundamentals, about maybe these could be also educational webinars or something, not only technical. So yeah, you're missing a lot of things if you are not VIP member. About the US oil, yeah, unfortunately the price dropped below this the channel's support downside line. Also it has ignored the weekly pivot point 90.50, but let's see how it will react here around this uptrend line support level. Yeah, if it stays above it, test retests, yeah, test retests, false breakdowns with great separation could signal a new leg higher, swing higher, bullish momentum. Okay, so that's why yeah, I'm still looking on the US oil. After something like this here, if you remember, I've talked about the range pattern, upside continuation here, and right now this could be only a temporary drop before a new leg higher. Okay, so I'm still looking for something like this, but I'll wait for the US oil to end its retreat, its correction, its downside movement. Okay, so let's take a look. Yeah, first of all, euro British pound. Yeah, someone asked me about euro British pound. One moment, because I want to. Raul Rodriguez Lara, how Olympia just had a chance to connect. Did you already talk about Nasdaq? No, I didn't talk about Nasdaq, Raul. Thank you. So can you analyze euro GBP? I think euro GBP is bouncing off support on 4 hour. I'm long on it. Let's take a look on 4 hour. So unfortunately, and personally, I've missed an opportunity here, guys, because this candle here, let's take a look. I will delete these. So personally, I've had something like this 1, 2, and 3. I will talk about US oil. Sorry, about Nasdaq US 100. Raul, thank you. So I've had the descending pitchfork 1, 2, and 3. An important drop here within the descending pitchfork's body. It had failed to reach the medium line, and here false breakdown with great separation below 0.83, 0.04 or 0.05. So also below the falling wedge's support. And yeah, we had maybe an opportunity, great opportunity here after this candle. Also, this candle was confirmed by a strong bullish candle, but personally, maybe I would have liked to see something like this here before an important rally. Right now, yeah, maybe this could be only a temporary retreat. A temporary retreat, but so something like this. It has found resistance around 0.8471, and also here personally I have a 150% Fibonacci line. Okay, so yeah, this could still be only a temporary drop or something, temporary retreat for the price to test retest, but the immediate support levels, personally I don't have a good setup right now, so I've told you I've missed this opportunity here maybe. So right now I'll wait maybe for the price to end its correction, its retreat. I don't know, we could have something like this, maybe here something like a flag, like a pattern, like a down channel, maybe a potential bullish pattern, or I don't know, falling wedge. Yeah, and maybe after the price will escape, maybe if it will maybe drop deeper, and after if it will escape from this pattern, yeah, I will look for longs, but right now I don't like it. Of course, yeah, it has reached this former high, former resistance. The resistance turned into a support. So yeah, it's that support, but I don't know. I'll wait here personally because I don't have a great opportunity or I don't know, great trade or something. Yeah, and 1, 2, and let's take a look, 3 here. No, let's wait, and I will come back with I will talk about this market again in my upcoming webinar, next webinar. Okay, Euro US dollar, guys. if you remember, I've talked about euro versus US dollar before. Could you please analyze Australian dollar, US dollar, Juan Felipe? Yeah, I will take a look. Or actually, first of all, US 100. First of all, US 100. So the Nasdaq. I believe that Orlando still is still keeping his still keeps his buy stop pending order in US 100. So yeah, right now I don't know, something like an indecision here. Yeah, also because the dollar index is undecided or something as well in the short term. What? Adam Quinn is I believe platinum still on your watch list. I will take a look on that market. Thank you. One moment, because I want to invite maybe more members. You can still yeah, something like this. So personally I don't have something here really good. I'm sorry guys. In US 100 or actually on US equities, but yeah, you can see here that 14,457 stands as support. Also we have this former low here, this pivot, but I don't know, or I've told you that Orlando's pending order, I believe that is still valid, and yeah, Orlando will come back with his update if the price will approach and reach its entry, yeah, on US 100. So right now, personally, I don't have something. I don't like the price action, the sideways movement. Yeah, of course, this could be only a temporary drop if it stays above these immediate lows or something. So yeah, something like this here in US. Well, I don't have an opinion. I don't have something. I don't like the price action. So yeah. So please guys, if you can still hear me, or please confirm into the chat. But yeah, I believe that everything is okay now. So about platinum, Adam Quinn, about platinum, yeah, personally I'm not trading this market too often, too much, but I will take a look on this market for you, Adam Quinn. So yeah, it's still below this downtrend line, something like of course I've talked about this market in a previous, yes, we can hear just bad signal. So 906.10 as support, static support, okay, and right now something like a sideways movement here, an accumulation, in the short term. I don't know, maybe we'll have something like a triangle here or something. Personally, I have an ascending pitchfork here, 1, 2, and 3. It has failed here to retest the lower medium line. It has failed to approach to reach the medium line here. Maybe something like this, yeah, could signal potential growth, but don't forget that we have a major downtrend line here. So I want to draw here something like a descending pitchfork, 1, 2 and 3. That's retests, false breakouts, its failure to approach to reach the medium line. So yeah, maybe a valid breakout here if it will maybe jump, close and stabilize above 1051.22 or something could signal potential growth. But yeah, I don't know, it's risky right now. Yeah, it seems that the pressure, the upside pressure is strong. Yeah, but I don't know if I want to buy it here, because I will have to place maybe my stop loss here, or I don't know, and target here. I don't know if it's a good trade or something. No, personally I'll wait here on this market. Yeah, Euro USD, let's take a look. Euro US dollar, if you remember guys, I've talked about this market, about this currency pair right before the non-farm payrolls. Also, don't forget guys, we'll talk about the Japanese yen as well during this webinar. Thank you. So Euro versus US dollar, I've talked about this former high here. I've talked about the upper medium line, this upside line here. I've talked about something like this before the non-farm payrolls on Friday. Or actually, yeah, it was only for the VIPs. Yeah, my webinar was only for the VIP members right before the non-farm payrolls. So yeah, if you remember, I've talked about something like this, a potential maybe retreat. Yeah, but I've told you that maybe I don't want to sell it here only after this strong rally, because I don't know, this could still be only a temporary drop before jumping higher. Right now, yeah, it's in a corrective phase. Your opinion, is there a chance for selling the British pound versus the Japanese yen? Yeah, I believe that Orlando has something like a new order in British pound versus the Japanese yen. I will take a look on that market as well. I've told you that I will take a look on the Japanese yen. So no, so after something like this strong rally, a temporary retreat drop, it was natural and expected, okay? But I've told you that I don't want to sell it here, even if the price will drop a little, because it could still come back higher. Personally, I didn't had something like a strong selling opportunity, high probability trade or something, so that's why right now also I don't have something really good in euro versus the US dollar. Okay, so I'm still waiting for confirmation here on the dollar index. Yeah, I'm still waiting here. It has changed a little. US dollar versus the Mexican peso. Let's take a look on that market. Yeah, it's still there. I'm still holding my trade in US dollar versus the Mexican peso for the VIP members. Okay, and yeah, I'm still waiting here. We have something like a strong area here around 20.579 or something, 78. Yeah, a point of control. So I don't know, as long as it stays above it, it could still, even if it maybe in the short term, even if it will maybe move sideways here, as long as it stays above the inside sliding line, I don't know, above this level or something, it could still yeah, we had something like this breakout from this pattern, maybe test, retest here. Yeah, I don't know, maybe if I will decide to manage my position in US dollar versus the Mexican peso, for personally I'm not showing the setup here only because this is only for the VIP members, but yeah, the VIP members are knowing what I'm talking about. So something like this, even if the price maybe will move sideways, and if it will maybe come back near break even. I don't know if I will decide to do something with this trade, and when I'll decide to manage it or something, I will come back with my trade management. Don't worry guys, yeah, into the VIP group. But right now I'm still holding my trade on the US dollar versus the Mexican peso, because you can see here that the dollar index continues to pressure maybe the medium line, maybe also the 61.8, this zone area. Yeah, Juan, I think it's good to buy US dollar Japanese yen after breakout, don't you think? Let's take a look. US dollar versus Japanese yen breakout. What breakout? So yeah, I've shared my video analysis, or actually I've sent you guys my video analysis, my daily video analysis on US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Right now, yeah, the US dollar Japanese yen continues to stay here near the downtrend line. Okay, so after the breakout, Juan. So yeah, the price jumped above the immediate downtrend line, but please take a look here. This former high 115.52, 115.68 as upside obstacles, Juan. Okay, so right now you can do whatever you want, but personally I will not go long. Right now this pair stays higher, okay, around these levels, only because you saw that the dollar index is bullish in the short term. Yeah, here also on the 4-hour chart, a bullish. But let's take a look on yen basket. So on yen basket, something like this, guys. I've talked today about this channel here. This index continues to stay near the channel's support downside line, right, Juan? And I've told you today that I don't know if this index will continue to drop, then the Japanese yen will continue to depreciate. Okay, so right now the US dollar Japanese yen continues to stay above that broken downtrend line, only because the dollar index is bullish and because this index is bearish. Okay, but test retest here, a rebound could force the yen to appreciate again, right? And also we don't have yet something like a confirmation here on the dollar index, so that's why I don't want to. Personally, I already have, guys, I'm already long on the US dollar. Yeah, you already know, with that US dollar Mexican peso. So I will not maybe double my risk on the US dollar right now, because I don't have a confirmation here, right? So I will not double down my risk on US dollar, but I'm still looking for US dollar longs, right? But here it's risky. I don't know, personally I would have liked maybe to see something like this, test retest. Yeah, also maybe something like this one, if the price maybe will jump here to make a new higher high, to come back to test retest all these, maybe to have something like a channel, a pattern, or a sideways movement. Maybe we'll have a long opportunity from there. Okay, so in my opinion, Juan, you can do whatever you want, but I'm sharing my opinion, and I don't want to buy here at resistance. Okay, because even if the price jump it, close it above the downtrend line, it could, I don't know, print a major bearish candle here. A bearish engulfing here could signal potential drop, okay, towards the weekly pivot point. We also have yeah, this former high as support, the weekly pivot point, the uptrend line. Okay, so personally I want to trade and I want to share only high probability trades. Okay, even if, I don't know, maybe I don't know, like the US dollar versus the Mexican peso, maybe it will turn into a bad trade or something, but yeah, I know what I want, what I'm looking at, and yeah, I don't want to appreciate. Yeah, thank you, don't forget one to like this video. It will be highly appreciated. Also, it will help me into the YouTube algorithm. About US dollar versus the Mexican peso. Okay, guys, I've told you that technically I'm still holding this trade, this long position. Okay, for now. And if I'll decide to do something with that trade, you will have my trade management as well. It's very important. And also one moment, because so look, if we are still here, even if maybe I will send free signals or free trades into the free group, yeah, most likely, and probably I will not share my my trade management, which is really important, because even if I will send you a trade, okay, right, even if I will say that I will go long here, I will place a stop loss here, I will place my take profit here, you will not know what to do with that trade, okay, if I will not share my my management, my trade management, because it's very important to know maybe where to cut your losses, when to move your stop loss to break even, maybe to take profits or to take partials, because it's important maybe to know maybe when the conditions maybe will change or something. It's important, yeah. The trade management is really important. Bernardo, every major government messing around with inflation rates is making trades harder to predict. Yeah, Bernardo, yeah. Maybe it's something like it's natural right now, maybe to hike rates, yeah, to increase rates, because yeah, unfortunately the inflationary pressure is high, and I don't know, yeah, unfortunately, but personally I'm still trying here to identify great opportunities, trading opportunities, and that's why I want to also to share them with you guys. Okay, please, if you have maybe more questions, I'm still here. And so Euro USD, I don't have something really good. British pound US dollar, yeah, let's take a look. I don't have something really good here either, so no. Let's take a look. Let's talk about so I've talked about the Japanese yen basket. Japanese yen basket. The pressure is still high, right, guys? And please take a look here. So after reaching and retesting the channel's downside line, it has failed to come back towards the channel's resistance, okay, upside line, indicating bearish pressure, strong bearish pressure, okay? So I don't know if it will maybe continue to stay near this support level. Staying here, it could indicate an imminent breakdown, okay, and downside continuation. Something like this could signal that the yen could depreciate, okay? And I told you that only something like this, test, retests, rebound. Don't forget that we have also an immediate downtrend line here. Only a strong rebound could indicate that the Japanese yen could appreciate, okay? So British pound versus the Japanese yen. I believe that Orlando sent a new trade here, but I believe that, I don't know, yeah, he sent a pending order, but I don't know, he will come back with his management, or if it will maybe decide to delete his pending order, okay, right? So something like this. So here for me, yeah, so we had this up channel, okay. Personally, I would have liked to see a value breakdown. Unfortunately, you can see here that the price, the British pound versus the Japanese yen, failed here to confirm its breakdown below the uptrend line. Okay, so maybe I will delete this major pitchfork. Okay, so because maybe it will be easier for you to understand. So something like this. Okay, up channel breakdown, but yeah, here it has failed to stay below the broken uptrend line, yeah, to be able to drop deeper. So right now it could challenge 156.49, and I don't know, a new higher high, valid breakout, also valid breakout above the R1 could signal upside continuation or something. So I don't know. Yeah, right now I've told you that the yen basket is also under pressure. Yeah, in the short term the British pound yeah, is bullish. So I don't know. Yeah, of course, if the price maybe will reach Orlando's entry, he will come back with his update. Also, he will come back with a with an update about this pending order. Okay, if Orlando will keep it or if it will delete it or something. So yeah, this is my opinion here. Euro, Japanese yen. Let's take a look. Strong rally, natural retreat, retest of the upper medium line here, and 131.60 at support. Maybe on the lower time frames, guys, we have something like a continuation pattern. Continuation pattern on Euro, Japanese yen. So something like a symmetrical triangle, guys. Okay, so yeah, but personally I'll wait for, so here something like a support zone, support area. Okay, upper medium line, this level, these former highs, but I'll wait for a valid breakout here. Okay, and maybe also for a new higher high. Okay, I don't know, I'll wait for a valid breakout before maybe I will decide to go long, or I don't know, maybe a downside, a very downside breakout here could signal potential drop. Also, technically, guys, if we'll have something like this, false breakout, test, retest, it could signal potential downside breakout from this triangle, okay? Or something like this, yeah? False breakdown, valid breakout, okay? So you have to be careful. Yeah, Juan, I've told you that I will take a look on that market as well. And please, what you're looking at here, Juan, because I don't know what you're looking at here on this market. Personally, yeah, I will share my opinion, but I don't know. Maybe you want something else on a different time frame or something. So I don't know. Personally, I'm not a big fan of this market right now. I will delete this descending pitchfork, also this one, and I will have something like this maybe. Okay, so something like a resistance here around 0.7169. Yeah, and something like a triangle, like a pattern, I don't know. Yeah, and I'll wait, maybe I'll wait for the price to make something like this, right? A valid breakout, or for the price to retest it and then to make a valid breakdown. Yeah, so this is my opinion here right now on Australian dollar, US dollar. I don't have something really good. The price moves, I don't know, somehow sideways here. So I don't have something really good on this market. Let's take a look. Also a downtrend line, so strong resistance here. Okay, so strong resistance zone area here. So test, retest, valid breakout, boom, could bring maybe new long opportunities. Okay, that's why it's important to know what you are looking at, or to know what you want, personally I'll wait for something like this maybe, okay, or for something like this. I told you, test, retest, okay. So it's important to plan your trade and to trade your plan, right? Like 5 minutes chart, could you analyze? See, because personally, if I will take a look on this market, I will start maybe with 4-hour daily, yeah, and then I will but I don't think I have something really good. Let's take a look. 1 hour. What? I don't have anything here, okay. Maybe only something like this, like a small range, yeah. But also, yeah, so you want me to take a look on 5 minutes? Yeah, I will still have that only that range, small range, and I don't know if you want me to analyze 5 minutes. I will do it, but I'm not trading on 5 minutes. Maybe only for me, for myself, I don't know. Thank you, I'm learning so much here. Yeah, thank you, Juan. Don't forget to like this this video, yeah, to subscribe to our YouTube channel, to follow us on Instagram, yeah. So 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Why do you want to trade on 5 minutes? Yeah, so something like a range pattern here between 0.7137, 0.7106, okay, something like a triangle, sorry, here as well. I don't know, a new higher high could signal potential growth, and if you want to trade on lower time frames, yeah, but I don't know. I've told you that this could still be only a temporary growth in the short term, because we have something like we have strong resistance levels, okay. Something like this. Something like this also, yeah. I don't know, so something like this, like a pattern, like a range pattern. Let's take a look if we'll use something like a Fibonacci retracement. So yeah, a new higher high here. If the price maybe will jump, close and stabilize here, it could extend its upside movement. Only because if you will take a look here on 5 minutes, and if you'll use something like this here, okay, thank you, Juan. So something like this, temporary retreat drop, it has failed to approach to reach to retest, to reach the 38.2 retracement level, retested 23.6, it has failed to stay below it or something. So a new higher high could signal an upside continuation, okay, here in Australian dollar, US dollar, in the short term on 5 minutes, yeah. Because right now, yeah, you can see that I don't know, the pair is still bullish or something, yeah. This could be only a sideways movement. Personally, maybe I would have liked maybe the price to come back down to retest these before jumping higher, okay. So yeah, this is my opinion here. Okay, guys, if you don't have maybe more questions, let's take a look also US 30. Yeah, same here, sideways movement. US 100. Yeah, still the same. Yeah, the dollar index, I don't know, maybe it tries to retest the medium line here on 45 minutes, 1 hour. Let's take a look. Yeah, on 1 hour is located right below this the medium line. But as I've said, I'm still holding that that trade in US dollar versus the Mexican peso. Yeah. Let's take a look on lower time frames, 15 minutes. Strong resistance here around the 61.8 on the dollar index. But please take a look here. Former highs here as maybe support levels. Oh, I'm a little bit tired. I will, I don't know what is that. I will remove your message. Okay, so don't forget, guys, that on Thursday we will have the US inflation data. Okay, very important, very important. Also here on the dollar index, okay, we can have also something like this, like a pattern, guys. But as long as the price and the dollar index continues to stay above the uptrend line, I will still look for US dollar longs or something, okay? But don't forget that something like this, like an up channel, could represent a bearish pattern, okay? So yeah, it could continue to increase within this pattern, but if it will maybe drop and stabilize below the uptrend line, it could turn to the downside. Yeah, something like this. Sorry, my chair makes some noises here. Yeah. One, two, and three. Let's take a look. No, it's not good for us here. Yeah, I'm still holding it. I don't know. Yeah. And if I will decide to do something with my trade on the US dollar versus the Mexican peso, yeah, I will share my opinion. If I'll want to close it at break even, if I will decide to close it with a small loss or something, or if I will, I don't know, identify something here, maybe I will still keep it. Maybe the price will move in my direction or something, but yeah, I'll wait. Okay, thank you guys for watching this this webinar. Also, let's take a look on Bitcoin first of all, because I will not finish my webinar before taking a look on Bitcoin. So finally it has escaped from this major pitchfork. Okay, so here 1, 2, and 3 drop, retest, false breakout above the upper medium line. Yeah, we talked about a selling opportunity here. Downside movement, false breakdown below the lower medium line. Right here, it's failure to retest the upper medium line, indicating potential new sell-offs. Yeah, it's failure here to stabilize below the medium line, and right now aggressive breakout through the upper medium line. In my opinion, maybe this major correction downside movement ended, right? Even if the price of Bitcoin will come back down to retest all these levels, I don't know, maybe personally I will look for longs, and maybe the price of Bitcoin could bring us maybe new buying opportunities or something. So after something like this, a temporary drop is natural. Yeah, it could retest this the channel's upside line. Alan, British pound dollar hit resistance at 1.3552. Why? Why it has reached resistance or what? Alan, please explain. What do you want me to say about this? So here on Bitcoin, if it will maybe come back down to retest this, maybe we'll have a great opportunity, maybe something like a flag, like a falling wedge pattern or something, a bullish pattern here in Bitcoin, okay? Or if it will maybe stay and stabilize above this line, I don't know. Here, a stabilization could bring maybe new opportunities. So British pound, US dollar. I don't understand your message, Alan. So 1.3552. 1.3552. Why? I don't understand. Yeah, it has reached resistance. Only because actually 1.3551. Okay, for me here in trading view, I want to long or short. So I don't understand. So as I've said earlier, personally I don't have something really good right now. Here 1.3551, only because you asked me. I will share my opinion about the British pound versus the US dollar. Okay, so 1.3551 here in my case on the trading view is my resistance, static resistance. Also I have something like this. Okay, yeah, in the short term you can see 1.350505 as support, static support. In the short term it could maybe move sideways here, right? Yeah, it seems that, one moment, because I want to clone this one to put it here, something like a down channel. Okay, and this channel, one moment, because I want to delete, maybe I will delete also my major pitchfork, something like this. So correction here 61.8. okay, it has found support here. I want to open a trade, but I'm quite unsure. If you are unsure, Alan, please look for something else. Yeah, and the trade only will it break out after 1.3552. So something like this in the short term, corrective phase. Yeah, strong rally, upside movement, and this could be only a temporary retreat. Yeah, but to be sure here and certain. So Alan, when you don't want or when you are unsure, when you don't have a great or a high probability trade, yeah, a strong signal, strong setup, okay, in my opinion you should stay away. Maybe you will come back tomorrow, maybe you will take a look on another market or on a different time frame or something. So please don't, I don't understand why you want to open a trade even if you are unsure, if you don't have something really good on the British pound versus the US dollar. So in my opinion here, okay, the major correction ended here around the 61.8. okay, it has found resistance at 23.6. Temporary drop, test retest of the 38.2, and something like a down channel. Okay, a down channel could represent a bullish pattern. Okay, but for something like this we need breakout, valid breakout. Okay, so also maybe personally I'll wait for something like this for the price to register a valid breakout here. Okay, and I don't know, maybe after something like this, because something like this could be, I don't know, something like on lower time frames. Let's take a look on 15 minutes. This could be something like head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders pattern. Okay, yeah, head and shoulders. Okay, but unfortunately, as I've said earlier, we still need confirmation here. So it's failure here to come back to test, to retest, or to approach to reach the former lows, yeah, indicating, signaling strong pressure, upside pressure. One moment, because I've moved my Fibonacci retracement. So something like this, yeah. So Alan, I would personally, I'll wait here. Okay, we are right below resistance. Okay, personally, I will not go long here below these levels. Okay, a very breakout here, yeah, could signal potential growth. Okay, but also don't forget, we have something like a range here, range pattern, yeah, range pattern here between 1.3551 1.3505. okay, so false breakdown, but also we have here also a false breakout from this range pattern. So I really I'll wait for a very breakout from this range as well, okay, before taking action, in my opinion. Because also here I've told test retests, one moment, test retests, false breakouts could signal potential drop at least towards this level. Okay, so that's why. And I don't know, Alan, if the price will register a breakout. Okay, if I would know, yeah, I will go long, but I don't know. Yeah, that's why I'm waiting for confirmation. Yeah, dollar index again on 1 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour. So in 29 minutes, guys, this 4 hour candle will be closed. Let's wait and see if it will maybe, I don't know, if it will maybe close above 61.8, above the medium line, below the medium line. Okay, yeah, Alan, it is really looking like it is moving in a range. Yeah, that's my opinion as well, and I'm glad that I've shared my opinion with you, my analysis. I don't know, you don't have to yeah, to use the same, I don't know, tools or strategy or something, but if you asked me, yeah, I've shared my opinion. Okay, thank you guys for being here. I will come back with my updates on my trades. Actually, I have only one trade right now, US dollar versus the Mexican peso, but yeah, maybe, I don't know, let's wait and see how the dollar index will react. Maybe we'll have new US dollar opportunities, long opportunities, or I don't know, maybe we'll have US dollar short opportunities, yeah, and maybe I will trade this market, British pound versus US dollar, but I will share my trade only with the VIP members, yeah, and also my trade management. Okay, Alan, are you a VIP member? Because I will share my trade in the British pound versus the US dollar only with the VIP members. And okay, thank you guys for being here, and see you next time. Or actually, my my webinar will be only for the VIP members, I believe. I don't know, maybe tomorrow, or I don't know. You are using only trend lines. No, I'm not using only trend lines. Please take a look again on this webinar. If you want, you will find it on our YouTube channel. We have a playlist there, live webinars. Also, please take a look and watch all our videos, tutorials, yeah, market analysis, daily videos, webinars or something. And I'm not using only trend lines. I'm using a lot of stuff price action, dynamic, static support and resistance levels, yeah. Fibonacci retracement as tools, Pitchfork, yeah. Maybe indicators. I don't know, a lot of things here. I like to. He loved Pitchfork, yeah. It's not that. It's not like that. Like it's not that I love Pitchfork. I don't know. After several years, guys, using a lot of indicators, a lot of I don't know. And when I've discovered Pitchfork, that tool helps me maybe to understand to analyze the markets on the diagonal, yeah. And it's really amazing maybe how the price tests, retests those lines, yeah. How that Pitchfork indicates exhaustions or reversals or something. Yeah, for me it works really good, and on all time frames, on all markets. So that's why I'm talking about Pitchfork all the times. But no, I'm not using only Pitchfork. I'm using a lot of other tools, strategies, yeah. Something like I want something like Confluence trading, okay. And also, if you want to know more about Confluence trading, you can also watch that tutorial on YouTube. Thank you, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.